Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floor mops that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Yokata Sponge Mop. This mop is designed with a honeycomb sponge head that excels in absorbency, making it perfect for tackling wet messes in areas like bathrooms and garages. The mop comes with 2 sponge heads, which are easily removable for cleaning or storage. It also includes a water squeegee to help you clean dirt and water more efficiently. The adjustable iron handle can extend from 42.5 inches to 52 inches, making it suitable for users of different heights. The build quality is decent, with a sturdy iron pole and a durable sponge head. However, the installation process for the sponge head can be a bit tricky, as it requires aligning and inserting the iron clamp into the groove. Performance-wise, the honeycomb sponge dries quickly and has excellent breathability, though it may struggle with fine dust and debris compared to microfiber mops. It's ideal for cleaning smooth surfaces like tiled floors or garage spaces. The Yokata Sponge Mop is a budget-friendly option for those who need a mop for heavy-duty wet cleaning. However, the lack of versatility for dry cleaning and the limited number of included sponge heads may not appeal to everyone. If you're looking for a mop specifically for wet environments, this is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Dream Spray Mop, a versatile and affordable option designed for both wet and dry cleaning. Its standout feature is the 800 milliliters refillable water tank, which is significantly larger than most spray mops on the market. This means you can clean larger areas without frequently stopping to refill the tank. The ergonomic handle and easy-to-use spray trigger make cleaning a breeze, while the 360-degree rotating mop head helps you reach under furniture and into tight corners. It even comes with 3 washable microfiber pads for different cleaning needs. In terms of design, the aluminum handle feels lightweight yet sturdy, and the microfiber pads are highly effective at picking up dust and grime. The mop is well suited for a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, laminate, and tile. However, some users have reported occasional leaks from the water tank, so proper handling is essential. Performance-wise, the mop delivers excellent results for everyday cleaning, though it may not be ideal for heavy-duty messes. Overall, the Dream Spray Mop offers great value for its price. It's perfect for homeowners or renters looking for an affordable, easy-to-use mop for daily maintenance. Just keep in mind to handle the tank with care to avoid potential leaks. At number 3, we have the Exigo Microfiber Spray Mop. This budget-friendly option is designed for light-duty cleaning and offers both wet and dry functionality. It comes with 3 washable microfiber pads that are great for picking up dust, pet hair, and light spills. The 360-degree rotating head makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Its refillable bottle allows you to use your preferred cleaning solution, giving you control over your cleaning process. The Exigo mop is lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for quick cleanups or smaller living spaces. However, the build quality reflects its lower price point, with a plastic handle that may not withstand heavy use over time. While it's effective on surfaces like tile, wood, and laminate, it may not be the best choice for tackling sticky or tough messes. The mop's simplicity and affordability make it a great option for students, pet owners, or anyone looking for a cost-effective cleaning solution. In summary, the Exigo Microfiber Spray Mop is an excellent choice for those on a tight budget who need a straightforward mop for everyday cleaning. Just don't expect it to handle heavy-duty messes or last as long as more premium models. In the runner-up spot, we have the Oater Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. This mop offers a hands-free wringing system thanks to its built-in wringer, which is activated using a foot pedal. The splash guard ensures water stays inside the bucket, making it a mess-free experience. The triangular microfiber mop head provides exceptional cleaning power and can reach into corners and tight spaces with ease. The mop head is also machine washable and reusable, lasting up to 3 months per refill. The design is ergonomic, with a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches, allowing you to clean comfortably without bending over. The microfiber technology is highly effective at capturing dirt, dust, and even bacteria, making it safe for all types of hard flooring. The Easy Ring system saves time and effort, especially for larger cleaning jobs. However, the bucket can be a bit bulky to store, and the system may not be ideal for those with limited storage space. The Oater Easy Ring is an excellent choice for those looking for a convenient, deep cleaning mop system. It's perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants a hassle-free way to keep their floors spotless. Finally, taking the top spot is the Oater Rinse Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System. This premium option stands out because of its innovative rinse clean technology, which keeps clean and dirty water separate during use. This ensures you're always mopping with clean water, making it one of the most hygienic systems on the market. The microfiber mop head removes 99% of bacteria with just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. The foot pedal allows for hands-free wringing, and the triangular mop head is perfect for reaching corners and under furniture. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy bucket and high-quality microfiber mop head. The system is lightweight yet durable, and the bucket's 20-liter capacity makes it suitable for cleaning large areas. The mop head is machine washable, saving you money on replacements. While it is the most expensive option on our list, the unparalleled cleaning performance and ease of use justify the price. The Oater Rinse Clean is perfect for anyone who wants the ultimate floor cleaning system. Whether you have kids, pets, or simply want the best for your home, this mop delivers exceptional results every time. It's worth the investment for its superior hygiene, efficiency, and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.